Welcome to my channel. Today we're making delicious pull-apart yeast rolls. I've prepared mine with blueberries, but you can also make them without filling and they'll be just as tasty. You'll find the exact list of ingredients in the video description below. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. Start by pouring flour into a bowl. Add 2 whole eggs and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then add the pre-prepared yeast mixture. For the yeast mixture, I used 40 g of yeast, a tablespoon of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk. Once the yeast mixture has risen, add it to the dough and start kneading. When the ingredients begin to combine, add 1/2 cup of lukewarm milk and 70 g of melted and cooled butter. The kneaded dough should be smooth and elastic. If it's sticking too much to your hands, sprinkle it with a little more flour. Then place the dough back in the bowl and set it aside to double in size. The dough is now beautifully ready. Now that it has risen, let's take it out onto the counter. We can knead it for a bit longer, then divide it into roughly 12 equal parts. I'm flattening each piece of dough in my hands. In the center, I'm adding blueberries. You can also add jam here, pudding, cottage cheese, or other fruits. You can even make them without any filling, just with the crumble topping, and they'll be equally delicious. After baking, everyone can enjoy them with their favorite topping, like jam. After sealing them, place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Let them rise again for about 15 minutes. Just before putting them in the oven, brush them with beaten egg and sprinkle with the crumble topping. You can find the exact measurements for the crumble ingredients in the description below the video. Next, we'll put them in the preheated. They'll brown nicely. Once they're done, you can dust them with powdered sugar or add frosting. They're absolutely delicious. I highly recommend them. You must try them. Take care, everyone.